In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix WhatsApp keeps crashing on your Android. So if WhatsApp keeps stopping, freezing, or just crashing in general, I'm going to show you a few ways to go and solve this issue. Now, the first thing you want to do is head over to your Android home screen, and then we're going to load up the settings. From the settings page, scroll all the way down and click on apps. Now you'll need to scroll down to the bottom of this list, and you should be able to see WhatsApp. Go and click on it like so. Over in the bottom right hand side, click on Force Stop, and then go and press OK. You could then scroll down to Storage and click on this. Click on Clear Cache in the bottom right hand side, and then press Clear Data in the bottom left. Once you've done this, you can try reopening WhatsApp and checking if that solves the issue. Now, if it's still not working, go and open back up your settings and head over to the main settings page. You could then scroll right down to the bottom and click on Software Update and just ensure that your Samsung phone is fully up to date. So we can click on Download and Install. And if there are any updates, you'll need to go and install these now. You could then head back over to your home screen and load up the Play Store. From the Play Store, go and click on your profile icon in the top right hand side. You can then scroll down and click on Manage Apps and Device, and you'll see updates available. Go and click on this. If you see WhatsApp in this list of outdated software, then you'll need to go and update it to the latest version, as this can be another reason WhatsApp keeps crashing. Now, the final thing we need to do is just go and power cycle the device. Now, you can do this with a key combination. So we're going to hold down the volume down button and also the power button at the same time. So let's go and do this together now. We're going to hold these two buttons down, and you're going to hold them down for around about 20 seconds. So eventually you should see a black screen appear. Just continue to hold these two buttons down. After another 10 seconds, you'll see the Samsung logo appear. You can then release these two buttons and wait for your phone to restart. You can then try loading WhatsApp, and that should have now solved any crashing issues.